The cactus. Listen. And it's talking about the mom being skirt. Listen. The husband, I guess the husband has a problem. No, no one even looking at it. No, I've seen it. The boy, just in a, fall down on the bird. Oh! Thank you. I got an injured car. Please, babe, you got an injured car. Okay, mine is more injured. No. This one flipped over. He's about to catch on fire. What? Here, save yourself, Greg Digger. I'm coming. I know, but we have to save the show. Save the show, Greg Digger. Just do tricks. How about me? How about me? Sure, do whatever. Oh, but no, but I like this too. Just like this. Or I just want to look at me. No. Yeah, I just got it water. Wait, no. Grave Digger. Everybody chose Grave Digger. Hold on. I put Facebook and look, we're about to see its scores. 100 Grave Digger and 1 Mario Cat. Grave, just explain the show. I'm sorry, I said that can never see you again. I'm sorry. You have made it. It's fine. Who wants to see me do? Everybody's leaving the stadium except that one person that said everybody got their money back, and the only money that they have is $25. You sent them all come back because I was doing a handstand with my wood. Hold on, but I'm fixing. Okay, just wait. Look, you saying you're down on the floor. I picked you up with my horn. Oh, it's falling. Why is it fixing? I got this. The grand finale without no boat. Come on, you guys are in the ring. Yes, this is that. Oh, but can you help me? Oh, but no, but can you help me? Come on, let's go. No, your tires messed up. I got it. No, how you do it? Like that. Oh. Come on, guys, take your keys. He has a gun. No, I mean, I'm really taking the car with me. No, but he has a son. Yeah, has his own car. Yeah. What's his name? Pretend that him. No. And him is more bigger than that. Oh no, he's out of fuel. Why are you doing that? my next question to you. Okay, the funny nothing is that. Superpower! Probably. Okay, guys, he's fit. He's fit. He's fit. Oh, oh. Like what? Who? Dude, pretend everybody came back because of you. Look, I'm still getting fit. So only me? Yeah. So only I just stay for this? Everybody stay for this. Let's both do it. Okay.